Hey everybody, Dave Hooke over here with the Brand Ambassador Program. Of course, the Dave Hooke Real Estate team at Keller Williams. And we do the Brand Ambassador Program because business in the community is just easier when we do it together. And so today we're going to learn about the story of Christian Companion Senior Care. One of our longtime Brand Ambassador members run and overseen by Tricia Scott and John Town. Come on in and let's learn a little bit more. Hey Tricia.
Hey, how are you?
Good to see you.
Yeah, you too.
So thanks for having me.
Yeah.
Excited just to share just an update about Christian Companion Senior Care. So for everybody listening, we all, as business owners, we are kept up at night by anxiety, by different problems. And sometimes we just don't talk about that enough. What's your biggest issue? What's your biggest anxiety problem here at Christian Companion Senior Care?
I would say that for us, it's working on establishing and maintaining the right balance between client needs and caregiver availability.
Yeah.
And both of those things are constantly changing.
Yeah.
So, for instance, I just got off the phone with somebody who, we're only seeing a couple hours a day. Now they think they want, like 18 hours a day.
Yeah, gotcha.
So that's a huge jump.
It is a huge jump.
So trying to, figure that out and not overload people, but also provide the service we want to is challenging.
That's huge. That's a big part of what you do. And, every business that I interview, there's issues in businesses. And a lot of times it comes down to people and just managing and coordinating the needs and matching the service we provide, and that's what you're talking about. Well, just as a reminder to everybody, what exactly does Christian Companion Senior Care do?
Yeah, so we provide non-medical in-home care to seniors, and that can be everything from helping with making a meal, doing some laundry, changing the bed linens, taking them places, and it can also include personal care such as helping them in the bathroom, helping them get a shower, get in and out of bed, all of that stuff.
Wow, so a little bit of everything, it sounds like. At Christian Companion, you've been here now a number of years. As you think about the past and the future, what are you guys most proud of?
I mean, we're growing. We're definitely, getting bigger every year, so that's good, but that takes more staff.
Yeah, it exacerbates those people issues and the coordination.
Yes. Yeah, but it's good. I mean, I think we're giving good service. We have a lot of word of mouth.
Yeah,
that's how we get a lot of our clients.
Awesome.
So I think we're doing good work.
Yeah, I love it. Well, if there's somebody out there, like my family has worked with Christian Companion Senior Care a number of times, if there's somebody out there like me who wants to learn more about what you guys do, either somebody that wants to serve on your staff and work here and serve others, or maybe there's somebody out there with a loved one who just maybe could use some companionship and some extra help around, how would they reach you?
The best way is telephone, 717-249-1700, and we can talk about what the needs are or what you have to offer.
Awesome. There you have it, everybody. Christian Companion Senior Care. Give them a call at 717-249-1700. That's 249-1700. Tricia will do a free consultation, learn a little bit more about your needs, and give you an idea of how you can take the next steps to get involved and either work with them or be lined up with a caregiver yourself who can take extra special care of you as they have for myself and my family. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for having us today.
You're welcome. Thank you.
And we'll talk to you soon.